Today I'm going to be showing you Bakersfield dark chocolate sprinkles. My boyfriend and I do a lot of baking in the home. We bake cupcakes, we bake cake, and we really turn to Bakersfield to sweeten our baking products. We love the dark chocolate sprinkles, and they also have rainbow sprinkles as well. We find both versions to be super tasty, and to really give a added flavor that is super sweet and tasty to our already sweet treats. I really like how the bag is constructed, so it's see-through here, and you can actually see what the product looks like from within the bag, and not all products do that. This is a 3.5 ounce bag, but you can most certainly get this in bigger sizes. Overall, we are super pleased with the Bakersfield brand, and we highly recommend to others.